Okay. Oh dear. Obviously, this is my first spell with social media live, and I've just made a complete hash of it. So I was just going to show you what I've had today of some orders of mine that have come through. So notebook, you can't see anything on here. I'm really going to have to practice how to do Facebook Live. This is really disastrous. And there we go. And then a notebook and a new top. So Andrew's going to model this for me. There we go. I'm going to have to try that on, but not now. So everybody, my first attempt at Facebook Live has been completely disastrous. So there we go. See you guys later. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh no, have I stopped now? Can I stop now? Have I...